Okay, we're gonna look at how to change the battery on this Honda key fob. Flip over the key. On the back here you have the Phillips screwdriver. So you remove that and put that to the side. Be careful you don't lose that. It's very small. Now if you look here on the side of this, there's no gap. But on this side you can see that gap right there, and you can put a flathead screwdriver there and then just separate the key fob. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright. Now you do want to be careful here because the screwdriver can slide and you don't want to hit yourself there and get an injury. But here we're open enough so that we can use our hands to remove that. Now the battery is right here in the back, and then you use your screwdriver again. I'm gonna come right here and just gonna remove this old battery right there. Now you take the new battery, you make sure that the plus sign is on the back. So we're gonna flip that over. We're gonna take this and then we're gonna push here first and push that down. Be careful with the circuit board so it doesn't come over. Don't flip this over or anything like that. Just the way it is. Take this and then put it in the back first, and then you push it down towards the front. And you heard that click there, so it's actually pretty secure already. But remember to put the screw as well. And that is it. You go ahead and you test it, and it should be working.